Imagine opening your laptop on a Wednesday morning, coffee in one hand, confidence in the other, and realizing you've got an edge most people don't. Not insider trading, not luck, just knowledge about the tools shaping the future of finance. Hi, I'm Imani, your AI career coach. My mission is to help you rise above the noise, stand out above the rest, and thrive in the AI era. And today on Wisdom Wednesday, I'm revealing the top 5 AI tools every finance professional needs before 2030. The ones already being used by global firms, CFOs, and fintech innovators to make faster, smarter money moves. Before we dive in, do me one favor. Give this video a thumbs up. It helps other professionals like you find the clarity and confidence they need to thrive in the AI economy. Let's start with a truth. AI isn't coming for finance. It's already running it. Over 80% of all global trading volume is now automated. AI writes forecasts, audits ledgers, detects fraud, and even gives personalized investment advice. So if you've been asking yourself, where do I fit? The answer is simple, right next to the algorithm. Let's break down the top tools reshaping the industry. Tool number 1, MindBridge AI for accounting and auditing. MindBridge is like a digital detective for accountants. It uses machine learning to review every transaction, not just samples, spotting anomalies and fraud before they cost your company millions. Traditional audits rely on random sampling. MindBridge analyzes 100% of your financial data in seconds. It flags irregularities, risky vendors, and inconsistent entries that human eyes might miss. Fun fact, auditors using AI tools like MindBridge cut risk review times by 40%. That's not just efficiency, that's protection. If you're in accounting or compliance, this tool makes you indispensable. Because in a world of automation, transparency is your new currency. Tool number 2, Kensho, for investment analysis and market forecasting. Kensho, owned by S&P Global, is basically the Bloomberg Terminal's AI cousin. It scans massive data sets, news, financial filings, social sentiment, and predicts market movement. Think of it as your AI research assistant that never sleeps. It can summarize 10,000 articles, detect correlations, and surface patterns humans wouldn't even think to look for. Fun fact, hedge funds using Kensho's predictive models saw a 12% performance edge over competitors relying on traditional analysis. If you're an analyst, portfolio manager, or data-driven decision maker, this is your super brain. And here's the secret. You can test Kensho-style analytics using public APIs and open-source models like FinGPT right now. AI isn't replacing analysts, it's amplifying them. Tool number 3, Ayasdi, for risk and fraud detection. Ayasdi is one of those behind-the-scenes tools used by major banks and insurance companies. It specializes in topological data analysis, which sounds fancy, but it basically means show me patterns no one else can see. Ayasdi has helped banks identify hidden money laundering networks, risky loan portfolios, and fraudulent transactions in real time. It clusters complex data visually so compliance teams can act before crises hit. Fun fact, Ayasdi once detected a $1.3 billion fraud pattern that humans completely missed. That's not science fiction. That's math meeting intuition. If you're in risk management or regulatory affairs, understanding how to interpret Ayasdi dashboards makes you the person everyone calls when something feels off. And that's job security. Tool number 4, DataRobot, for predictive analytics and decision automation. If finance had a crystal ball, it would be DataRobot. This platform lets you build and deploy machine learning models, without coding. You feed it historical data, and it predicts outcomes like credit default, loan performance, or market volatility. It's drag and drop AI for analysts who want results without rewriting Python. Fun fact: companies using DataRobot report decision-making speeds 5 times faster. Why? Because the tool eliminates the guesswork. It quantifies intuition. If you're in forecasting, financial planning, or corporate strategy, this is your AI co-pilot. And if you're a student or early career professional, they even have free community tiers to start building your first models today. Tool number 5, Zest AI for credit and lending transformation. Zest AI is the quiet revolution in credit scoring. It uses thousands of data points, not just credit history, to assess a borrower's true potential. That means more inclusive lending, fewer denials, and smarter portfolios. Banks using Zest have seen default rates drop while approval rates climb, a rare combo. Fun fact: Zest AI models can make underwriting 25% more accurate while reducing bias. That's the kind of technology that builds financial equity and efficiency. If you're in consumer finance, lending, or even fintech startups, understanding how these systems weigh data will make you a better communicator and a more ethical leader. Now, here's the best part: every one of these tools has a free learning path. You can't control the market, but you can control your skill stack. Here's your Wisdom Wednesday challenge. 1. Pick one of these tools: MindBridge, Kensho, Ayasdi, DataRobot, or Zest AI. 2. Watch one demo video this week. 3. Write down 3 ways it could fit your current role. That's it. Because awareness creates advantage, and advantage compounds. Let's zoom out for a second. If Monday taught you how AI is transforming finance, and Tuesday showed you how to recession-proof your role, then today is about wisdom, knowing which tools make that transformation real. AI isn't stealing financial jobs. It's splitting them in two: those who manage the machine and those who are managed by it. And you already know which side you belong on. So, as we wrap up, remember, knowledge is no longer power. Application is. Knowing about AI tools is good. Using them is gold. Give this video a thumbs up if it gave you clarity. Share it with someone in finance who needs this reminder that the smartest tool in the room is still the human using it. And don't forget to subscribe, because tomorrow it's Transformation Thursday, the rise of AI wealth advisors. How to build financial freedom in the age of algorithms. I'll see you tomorrow, where your wisdom starts to pay interest.